Extendable handle. The maximum length of scraper handle can be extended up to 65 centimeters, is suitable for the use of glass aquariums and various glass surfaces for descaling and debarking. Long aquarium scraper. The scraper blade with hollow design, mainly to facilitate clean and reduce resistance, easily remove the algae that form on your aquarium glass, achieve the desired clear, transparent visual effects in a very short time. Premium stainless steel, strong corrosion resistance, dedicated to the clean use of freshwater and seawater aquariums, quickly clean the surface of the aquarium, such as moss, adhesives, organics, etc. Easy install. The blade part can be removed and replaced to extend the use of the product. After disassembling the blade, it can be used as a sand leveler, minimum water disturbance, and does not disturb the rest of the fish plants. Useful aquarium cleaner. Right angle blade design helps to clean the corner of aquarium tank. You can simply scrape off all the unwanted algae, leaving the glass transparent and scratch-free. Top reviews from the United States. Great algae scraper, would recommend to anyone. I really like the quality of this scraper. I have had no issues using this tool at all. It is quite sturdy and cleans the algae off the glass with extreme ease in comparison to other algae scrapers I have used in the past. Would buy again if this one ever breaks, but seems to be well made and I don't expect that to happen anytime soon.